Mistake number 2 is overstating the entry EBITDA, and this is a little easier to explain. We should always use an entry performance metric that has a TTM date that is as close as possible to the transaction date and is as unadjusted as feasible. Quite often, GPs base valuations on forward or full-year estimates even when deals close mid-year. And occasionally, they cite highly adjusted EBITDAs pro forma for anticipated contracts or hypothetical synergies that may never happen. Now, I don't think that any of this is being done with nefarious intent, it's just the way that they look at the deals. Those EBITDA timeframes and pro forma adjustments will always be disclosed in the investment committee memos. But it is a really bad idea for the GP to send that number in the LP data request, because it pulls a lot of value out of EBITDA growth and moves it right over to multiple expansion. For example, let's say that this deal has a true entry EBITDA that is only 10% lower, $18 million. That moves the entry multiple up from 5.2 to 5.8x. When we use that to calculate our value drivers, we'll increase EBITDA growth to 72% of value creation and decrease multiple expansion to 28% of value creation, and that's quite a significant move.